Hi everyone, so we are back with the another new video, and in this video I'm gonna tell you how you can use Muse Spark 1.2, which is the latest model of Meta AI, and I will give you two ways to use it. First, you can use it as a coding agent, and second, you can use it as API. So I will show both the method in this video. So first of all, I will show you the benchmark, and you can see it competing with the top models here, and you can see in the GDP leaderboard, and this also competing with the top model like Opus GPT 5.6, and in terminal bench you can see the performance of this model. And let's go. So we will start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, we will open new window here, and you have to search open code, and you have to write this open code AI login. First we have to log in this website. So we will click this, and you will get the two option here. You have to choose whichever you would like. So I will go for Google, and sign in here. So we will wait, and after sign in you will see the page like this. So first of all, I will uh, give you the coding agent method, how you can use that. So first of all, we will go on open code again. We'll search for open code, and when you click here you will see the directly installation of the coding agent id, sorry, not id, CLI agent. So you can directly install from the command. If you wanna directly download, there is also option of download. So you can after download you will see like that. So you have to write open code, and when you write open code it will be open TUI mode of the open code, and you can write here. First of all, you can select the model by control P, and you have to switch model, and you can see here Muse Spark 1.2 free right now. So you can select the this model, and after selecting this model you can type your prompt, and if you don't want to use it as API, you can directly use through open code tool. So we will close that now, and now we will talk about API method. So how you can use it as API. So first of all, we will go the website again where we log in. So now we will find the docs page of open code. So we will go again open code docs, and you will see the link, and after going here you will see the gen option. You have to click that, and after clicking this option you will see here so many models, but we will focus on this model only. So just copy these three lines, and we will go in ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT just create a SQL SQL URL, and if you type that, it directly give you the SQL URL of that model, and we will copy this and paste in your terminal. And after pasting this in your terminal, you have to paste here your API also. So we will go back in the website again, and we will open the same page where we will log in, and you will see here the copy API option. You have to copy your API and paste in the code. Okay, so now we'll enter and we'll wait, and boom guys, you can see the response by the model. How can I help you today? And like that you can use your API. So that's it for the video, and like that you can use Meta latest AI, which is Muse Spark 1.2, by using API, and you can directly use through coding agent. So hope you like this video. If you not subscribed this channel yet, you're missing so much thing guys. So bye bye.